MTS Combined Loading Compression Fixtures. The fixture consists of 4 bolster blocks, attached by screws left and right, and by linear bearings and guide rails top to bottom. To put the specimen in the fixture, lay the fixture on its side. Separate the 2 side bolsters and the upper and lower bolsters. Place the whole assembly on the fixture over the 2 guide pins, which set the position of the specimen in the fixture. Insert the guide length positioning bar, which sets the gauge length of the specimen in the fixture. Press the top and bottom bolsters together. Insert the specimen through the top of the fixture so that it sits on top of the 2 positioning pins inside the bolsters. Press the bolsters together. Tighten the screws with an Allen wrench to clamp the bolsters together and set your gauge length of the specimen. Remove the gauge length positioning bar. Remove the assembly from the fixture, and it is ready for testing.